Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 81 divide 1 by 9 multiply 9. So most of people solve this question like cancel this 9 by this 9 is equal to 81 divide 1 is equal to 81. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, P means parenthesis, A means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division. With multiplication and division both have same priority, okay? And A means addition and S means subtraction. Addition and subtraction also have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So is equal to, here is a one division and one multiplication. Both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part, okay? Is equal to 81. Now apply KFC rule. K means skip, C means change, F means flip. So keep the first fraction as it is, 81 is as it is 81. Now change this sign from division to multiplication. Okay. Now flip this fraction. 1 by 9 is equal to 9 by 1. Multiply 9. Now here is a 1 multiplication, here is a 1 multiplication. Therefore we have to move from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. 81 multiply 9 is equal to 7 to 9 multiply 9. Now 7 to 9 multiply 9 is equal to 6561. So 6561 is the correct answer. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.